Today we're gonna go Nacho's Auto Repair Shop Services. They are servicing people around the community in the Santa Fe Spring area, and they're a great shop to take your any kind of vehicles, any kind of problems you have. Now we are gonna showcase some of our products in here, so if you guys have any car problems in the future, this is a good place to take your car. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. To operate your muffler or your exhaust, this is a perfect way to do it, including with it a nice, beautiful aluminum muffler exhaust. If you guys can see that, everything's well secure. We're gonna set it up on a car, including with it they have the tie down here, so if you just want to over as a sock into the actual existing one, you can do that. So I'm gonna put this together and see how well it looks.